Hey guys, welcome to Vibrantfounder, a platform designed for anyone with business ideas. Vibrantfounder is a do-it-yourself incubator platform, taking your idea from scratch all the way to the market. On this platform, you'll find many tools that will enhance your business, saving you time, energy, and resources. Now let's dive into how this platform empowers you as a founder. On Vibrantfounder, you find tools such as Growth Framework. This is a dynamic space where you can actively work with your business model, competition, risk analysis, and so much more. You may be wondering, I don't have any previous experience. Don't worry, we have a step-by-step guide which will get you started. The best part is that this platform is empowered by AI, making your journey easy, smooth, and seamless all the way. With our timeline tool, you can set up and track your milestones and market goals so that you and your team are working towards the same path. Plus, we automatically generate business plan and market plan, which can be easily shareable with one click. We know that the journey as a founder can be lonely. That's why we have set up Vibrant Community, a place where you can meet fellow founders on similar journey, where you can share knowledge, experience, and be a part of something. But hold on, it doesn't stop there. Every month we host events like Vibrant Pitch, where selected businesses get a chance to pitch to investors. This could be a place where you can get opportunity to secure funding and support you need to scale your vision. So, do you have a business idea? Have you already started the journey as a founder? Join us on Vibrantfounder and turn your vision into reality.